Due to the implementation of machinery equipments, excessive of soil mining was done under Bokajan subdivision, which consequently affected the free flow and the course of the river. The negligence from the Forest Department upon performing their duties had additionally boosted the transient extraction of soils using modern machinery. Earlier, the extraction of the soil was done using a shovel without harming the ecosystem of the river. But due to the implementation of machinery equipments, excessive of soil mining was done under Bokajan subdivision, which had destroyed the ecosystem and the beauty of the river. The concerned Forest Department of Silonijan Range and Bokajan Forest Range under Bokajan subdivision are still silent on this matter despite so much of discussion flying around. Is the concerned authority unaware about the fact that more than 50 soil extraction machines had been installed, or they are unaware and intentionally keeping quiet on this matter? It is indeed a matter of great concern as to why the forest departments are silent over the transient extraction of soils happening in the region. There is no intervention and inspection had been made so far. This has supplemented the suspicion of conspiracy upon the Forest Department under Bokajan subdivision. It can be seen that most of the employees spend their whole day at their quarter doing everything other than performing their duties and responsibilities assigned upon them. They would either sleep whole day or they would spend their time at the check gate looking for easy money. Therefore, the intervention of Dr. Tuliram Bronghang, CEM of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, concerned Forest Department and higher authority is in dire need at this point of time to cease the transient extraction of the soils from the river and also to resist the ecosystem of the river from being destroyed completely. Anandirang's report from Bokajan for Karbi Anglong Live.